Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to write SEO friendly blog content in 2025 the right way. If your posts aren't ranking on Google or driving traffic, don't worry, by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to structure, optimize and publish content that actually gets seen. All right, so the first thing you need to do is keyword research. So before you even start writing, you need to find the right keywords. So use free tools like Google Keyword Planner. As you can see, I searched that up. Use free tools like this, or you could use Uber Suggest or RF's free keyword generator to find phrases people are searching for. So once you found a phrase that actually works, try to integrate it into your blog. All right, now moving on. Besides looking for keywords with medium competition and high search volume, um, just make sure everything aligns with what you're trying to do on your blog post, as that is important. So that is basically you just trying to plan your content. So let's say once you've picked a keyword, plan your outline. Simply search the keyword on Google. So let's say your keyword is dieting. So let's use a keyword like dieting. Let's use this. Now you can find for some certain blog posts, you can see dieting and overview, tips to help you lose weight, healthy diet, 25 diet tips to lose weight, and things like that. So when you search the keyword on Google, look at the top 5 results and see what they cover and what they're missing out on. So your goal is to make them better and more complete in your blog post. And you could structure your blog with an engaging introduction, kind of like integrate a heading 2 and heading 3, that's H2 and H3 headings, and a call to action at the end. You can do this when you open up something like WordPress. So on WordPress, just head over to your pages, and then you can integrate this search engine optimization words. That's the keywords. You can integrate them into every part of your page, from the contact us page to things like the blog itself or your about us. You could have that included there and try to optimize your writing. So when you're writing, keep your search engine, keep your SEO in mind, but don't overdo it. Use your keywords in, like I said, your title, your first 100 words, and at least your H2 heading. And avoid keyword stuffing. It actually hurts your rankings. And now also try to add visuals and links. So remember, our keyword was dieting, so you're going to have to find pictures of people either working out or healthy meals like this that you could use for your blog post on your WordPress. So you could add this to your page by just clicking on edit. So let's say we want to edit this page, click on edit. That's the post page. All right, so like I said, once you click on edit, you could simply add infographics, images, or videos, visuals that keep the readers engaged and boost their dwell time on your page or blog post. And also, don't forget to write a strong meta title and description. So your meta title should be around 60 characters and include your main keyword, which was dieting. So you could just simply integrate things like that into your meta description. And then don't forget to publish and promote. So after publishing, make sure you share it on LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, and Medium, and submit it to a Google Search Console to help get it indexed faster. All right, guys, and that's how you can simply write an SEO-friendly blog content in 2025 that actually works. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.